Hello friends, this is the video of A to Z Forex training. There I will teach you everything about Forex step by step in a very easy way. If you don't understand anything, just ask me, I will help you. Okay, let's begin. It's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So in the world, everyone wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. So in the same case, everyone wants to make money from the forex, but no one wants to learn. But if you want to go to heaven, you have to die first, then you can achieve this beautiful place. Same things in the forex. If you want to earn money from the forex, you have to learn something about the forex, and you have to practice with the demo lots of things, then you can earn lots of money from the forex. So that this is the episode number 2, A to Z Forex training part 2. So there we start this episode only because of my subscriber or my viewers, because I don't want that they lose money in the forex. So I will cover everything about the forex, what is necessary. So if you follow this episode, maybe it will be 45 videos, you will learn all the things about forex. So never skip my videos, every time watch the video in full, and I hope you will get some more information about forex. So now I am first going to tell you about the video content that today's video what is about. In this video, first I will discuss about this, that what we trade in this forex market and how we make money in this forex market, and what you need to join in this forex field. So this will be the main video part, and also I will show you our real account trade history and trading, and you can see that in the real account we are making money, and you can also learn something. And in every video I will give you some homework, and if you have to complete these things, because if you can complete these things, and every video I will give you some homework and you will complete it in your home, and day by day, because it will be 45 days things, because every day I will upload one video, so there will be 45 videos. So in 45 days I will give you 45 homework, and if you can complete these things, you don't need to learn anything more about the forex. I will complete everything. Now we can go to the main video. So first I am going to discuss with you that what we trade in this forex market. So basically forex means the foreign exchange. So there is basically it's depend, and the main things is a currency trading. So there we trade about the currencies. So you can see that if you want to trade with the currencies, there you have to take two currency. So there you can see the USD JPY. USD means the Australian currency, and the JPY is the Japanese yen, so Japanese currency, and the AUD USD, it means the Australian dollar and the US dollar. So there we just buy and sell the currencies, and we do research that which currency price can go up and which one can go down. Then we can buy these things and sell these things. But also with the currencies we can do more other trade like XAU USD. It means that the gold trade. So this is just a metal part, it's not a currency. But if you trade in the MT4, they give some like Bitcoin. If you want, you can also trade in the Bitcoin or gold or whale. Those kind of things we also can trade in the forex market. So in the future video, maybe I will discuss with the MT4 software, but in this video I think you understand that what we trade in the forex market. So now I am going to the next part. How we make money in this forex market? This is a very common question. Basically, this is very simple. Okay. So first we forget about the currencies. Okay. So say for example, if you buy, an iPhone with the $500. Okay. And after a few days, you saw that someone telling you that iPhone price is getting higher, and now if you sell this iPhone, you can sell it with $600, and you sold your iPhone. So what has happened? You buy an iPhone with the $500, and when the price increase, you sell your iPhone with the $600. Okay, so you are making $100 profit. So these things also in the currency market. You have two currency pair. You chose say for example, you chose two currency pair. One is the euro, another one is the USD. Okay, so you are thinking that okay, maybe tomorrow euro price can go high. Okay, so you make a prediction that okay, so tomorrow maybe euro price can get higher. So what you will do today? Today you buy $100 euro. Okay, so you spend your $100 to buy euro, and tomorrow you will see that okay, euro price getting higher, and you sold your all the euros, and then you are making profit. This is very simple. Okay, so every time we buy one currency, say if you think that the euro price can get higher, you will buy euro, and if you think that the USD price is getting higher, you will buy USD. If you think that the Japanese yen price can go high, you will buy Japanese yen, and when you get your profit, you will close your order or you will sell your Japanese yen. And if you think that the England currency, the GBP, the British pound price can go high, you can buy the British pound, I think GBP. And if you think that Australian dollar price can go high, you will buy the Australian dollar. Whatever currency, if you think that this currency price can go high, you can buy it, and when you get your profit, you can close your order. This is a very simple thing. By this way, in the forex market, we make money. Basically, we just do little study that, and when we think that okay, this currency price can get high, then at that time we buy this currency, and when we make profit, at that time we close our order or we sell our currency. This is the very simple things. Okay, so to become a forex trader, what you need, because this is a very high profitable business, this is a very good business. You can do it by your home, only by the mobile, and not too much things is necessary. So for this reason, you need a good computer with internet connection. Okay, and also if you have a smartphone like Apple or any Android, you can also do it. So we can do it by a software named MT4. So MetaTrader, okay, so MetaQuartz is a company, they providing this software, it's named MT4 or MT5. So basically we use the MT4. Maybe in the next video I will show you how to download MT4 and how to use MT4. This is very simple things. So if you think about the real life, if you buy a dollar, then you have to looking for some customer to sell it. But in this forex market, you don't need to look any people to sell. If you want to buy, you can buy it anytime, and if you want to sell, you can sell it anytime. So you don't need any customer to buy or sell whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is the things in forex market we are making money. So basically, step by step, I am going higher, and I think if you can follow all the videos step by step, if you don't know anything about the forex market, you can learn everything.
I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. And now just in this video, two part left. One is I'm showing you our real account trade and the history, and also I will give you a homework and you have to practice it in your home and you have to learn it. And also in the next video I will discuss about that, what is forex broker and how can you choose a good broker and how can you take benefit from the broker. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. This account is 2 or 3 months old account, and it was one of our investor account. You can see he was deposit $10,000 and he almost profit more than $2,000, $2,400, and now he withdraw his all balance because now we don't manage any account, and that's why he withdraw his balance. And now just only few things left, only 284 euro left there, and it's a real account because now we stop the manage account, but now we start a free copy trade system. So if anyone want, you can copy our trade. So for that you can visit our website. So now I'm going to give you homework for learn in your home, and please complete these things. Now I'm giving you a simple homework, but it's important because by this you can get some knowledge. So first you go to the Google and search foreign exchange market, and then you will get an article in the Wikipedia, and click there, and after click you will get this. So from there to there, just these few lines you have to read, and maybe something you don't understand, just don't worry about these things, read these things. If you read these things you will get some knowledge. Maybe you don't understand 100%, but at least you can understand 70%. But you know some technical word of the forex, and you can learn something about technical things. And in future when we will complete our A to Z forex training course complete, then you will understand all the things. So just go to the Google and write foreign exchange market, and go to Wikipedia and read this article. So this is a very simple homework. Please complete these things. So tomorrow I will see you again and with the next new video. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also, if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.